Hi there, welcome to a short demonstration of securing a migrated application running under Heirloom's Platform as a Service and Wildfly's JEE server. This is a simple example that utilizes Wildfly's built-in security mechanism to provide application-wide authentication. A more complex example using the full power of Heirloom's RACF to LDAP mapping technology to provide authorization can be found in later videos. If you want to map mainframe security concepts like resource level security, for example restricting groups of users to specific transactions, you'll want to check out those later videos. If you want to simply secure your service using standard web user and password access, this is the video for you. This example uses our online demo, you may have seen it before, and Wildfly 9. Wildfly is already running, as you can see here, so let's go ahead and deploy our standard application. We'll deploy that directly to Wildfly, and we can see that's happened there. So let's go look at this application, and you'll see that there's no security running right now. We can enter data as required. Let's fix that by returning to our deployment project and adding two fields in the configuration. They're down here in the resource access control. We'll add the realm phrase. In certain browsers and certain servers, this will show up in the message box that prompts users to log in, and also the group that we want authorized users to belong to. We'll just call that users. We'll apply that. These fields will be mapped into the correct XML in the WebXML deployment file that Wildfly scans. You can check out that file here, and you can also edit it yourself if you need to once the application's been deployed. So before we can run this, we'll want to add a user to Wildfly. So let's jump over and do that. We'll need to stop Wildfly to do that. So this is our user, and we're going to add them to the users group. That's demo user with the same password. So we can now restart Wildfly. Okay, and then we'll redeploy our application. Okay, let's return to that website and refresh. And this time we see that we need to authenticate. We can try a user that obviously doesn't exist, and if we enter our demo user that we created, you can see that we're back into the application. So this is a very broad level security and clearly a simple demo. There's a large amount of documentation on the various security models that can be used on our support site. Additionally, look for future videos that delve into the more complex but also more mainframe-like levels of resource authorization. Those demos use an LDAP server and Heirloom's RACF mapping technology to ensure only authorized users have access to specific transactions. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to reach out to us with any questions that you may have via our support site at support.heirloom.cc.